What if I told you that one crumpled piece of aluminum foil sitting in your kitchen right now could be the reason you never see another cockroach again? No sprays, no chemicals, no expensive exterminator. Just foil, a few things from your pantry, and 5 minutes of your time. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have not one, but two ways to clear your home of cockroaches for good. Every year when cockroach season rolls around, my kitchen starts getting some very unwelcome visitors. They show up out of nowhere, they're disgusting, and honestly, they make you worry about how clean and safe your home really is. But I've found a way to drive them out using nothing more than a small ball of foil. Let me show you exactly how to make this secret weapon. And stick with me until the end, because I've got a second trick that works just as well. Let's get into it. Start with a small bowl and add 4 tablespoons of white sugar. Sugar is a powerful attractant. Cockroaches are drawn to sweet smells, so this pulls them in without any extra effort on your part. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and mix it in thoroughly with a spoon. Baking soda triggers a reaction inside a cockroach's system once they eat it, and it can be effective on other unwanted insects too, including certain spiders. Here's where it gets interesting. Take 1 lemon, but you'll only use the peel, not the juice. This part matters. Any juice mixed in will add liquid and acid that throws off the whole mixture. Using a fine grater, gently remove just the yellow outer peel, rotating the lemon as you go, and stopping before you hit the white pith. You want about 1 tablespoon of finely grated peel, just enough to add a fresh citrus scent that covers the baking soda smell and makes the bait even more tempting. Mix the peel into the bowl until fully combined. The mixture should stay dry, not wet. Hang on to the rest of the lemon. You'll need it later. Now for the final piece, toothpaste. Any toothpaste from home works. Squeeze in about 2 to 3 centimeters and mix everything together well. This is the ingredient that makes the real difference. It doesn't just kill the cockroaches you see. When they carry this mixture back to their nest, it destroys the eggs and damages the nest itself. That's the key. Killing visible roaches is easy. Stopping them from reproducing is the hard part, since their eggs can hatch by the hundreds in almost no time. This mixture breaks that cycle at the source. Your bait is ready. Tear off a piece of aluminum foil and place a small amount of the mixture in the center. Foil holds on to smells, grease, and odors incredibly well, which means it quietly lures roaches in without them sensing danger. Fold the foil around the bait and roll it into a small, tight ball. Then poke a few small holes around it with a fork. Since the mixture is dry, nothing will leak out. Cockroaches will smell it, reach through the holes with their antennae, grab the bait, and carry it straight back to their nest, where it does its real work. Set these foil balls in the spots cockroaches love most: inside kitchen cabinets, under the fridge, near the stove, and in dark corners where crumbs and moisture collect. Once placed, leave them alone. Over time, you'll notice fewer and fewer roaches and far less chance of new nests forming. Now for that second trick I promised. Grab the lemon halves you already grated the peel from and squeeze the juice into a measuring cup. Add 300 to 500 milliliters of warm water. Warm water helps the lemon scent spread and last longer. For extra strength, stir in 1 teaspoon of salt until fully dissolved. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and use it around cabinets, under the sink, near the fridge, the stove, and along cracks and corners. Cockroaches hate the strong lemon scent, and this spray also cuts through grease and food residue, the exact things that attract them in the first place. Spray it 2 to 3 times a week for best results. And that's it. 2 simple, natural ways to take back your kitchen from cockroaches for good. If this helped you, smash that like button and share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another home hack like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on this mosquito trap catches thousands of mosquitoes.